Hello, got an Anvil Mountain update for you here. We've had some activity going on over the weekend, and let's take a look. Yes, the sheetrock is hung all around the place, up and down. So the crew came out here. They started on Friday morning, and actually, wait a second, did they start on Friday? They may have started on Saturday morning. They started on Saturday morning, and they were out of here by Monday. So that's some fast, efficient, professional work done there. And we should have a mud and tape crew coming in here in the next few days, and they will finish up. They'll put a light hand texture, tape all the joints, put the corner beads on, and we'll be moving on from there. Over and out.